Okay, 2012 January C3 question 8. So it's a prove this. So starting off with the left hand side, cosec is 1 over sine, and sine is just sine over 1. I would make the bottoms the same by making them both over sine. So that means this one needs an extra sine, so sine the top there, you get sine squared x. Using the sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. If you rearrange that, 1 minus sine squared equals cos squared. So the top is becoming cos squared over sine. That can split up into cos over sine and an extra cos. And cos over sine is cos x, which is the right hand side. Part B of this question is solve this equation here. So it's cot squared equals cosec theta at 5. Now we're only between minus 90 and 90. So bear that in mind as we go through this question. Cot squared, I can use the expression 1 plus cot squared equals cosec squared. So cot squared is cosec squared minus 1. Just puts it all in terms of cosec. So cosec squared minus 1 equals cosec add 5. It's quadratic, so everything goes on one side. So cosec squared minus cosec theta minus 6. Factorise, I'll use the formula. That factorises quite nicely. So it's cosec theta multiplies to give 6 and adds to give minus 3. So it's, or minus 1. So it's a minus 3 plus a 2. So you have cosec theta equals minus 2. So that's sine theta is minus 1 over 2. Principal angle, inverse sine, a half is pi over 6. Split interval. But remember, you only have to go between pi over 2 and pi. Your sine was negative, so it's this one. So your answer is theta equals minus pi over 6. And for this answer here, cosec theta equals 3 over 1. And cosec is 1 over sine, so just turn everything upside down. So sine is a third. So principal angle, inverse sine of a third is 0.340. Not pi over